Have you ever thought that jogging is not just for athletes or soldiers?
In fact, for an ordinary person too, it's a life-changing weapon. But here's the problem. Most of us think, why bother jogging? I'll just wake up and eat some fried snacks. That's way easier. The reality is, the human body comes with a system that only works properly when it moves. So if you can't go to the gym, can't buy expensive dumbbells, no problem. You already have streets, lanes, maybe even a rooftop.
And the best part, you've got 2 legs, absolutely free of cost.
I am Dr. Abs. Welcome to Healthcare Hub. Now, let's talk science. When you do light jogging, your heartbeat rises. This means blood flows faster throughout your body. The result: more oxygen, a sharper brain, and your mood improves by up to 70%. Yes, science confirms. Joggers are happier because their brains release a special hormone called endorphins. In simple words, it's your natural happy pill. No doctor's prescription required. Here's the fun part. Your body has an internal factory that produces free energy. But there's one condition. You need to switch it on. Jogging is that switch. Just 15 to 20 minutes of jogging daily boosts your stamina so you don't run out of breath while climbing stairs. And if you're married, well, believe me, stamina matters even more. Now, let's face the reality check. Why do most people quit jogging? Because on the very first day, they try to run a full marathon. Come on, you're not a rocket, you're human. Always start easy. Day 1, walk for 5 minutes, jog for 5 minutes. Next day, add just 1 extra minute. Think of it like topping up your mobile balance, slow and steady. And remember, jogging benefits are not just physical, but mental too. Studies show that students who jog regularly score better grades. Why? Because their brains focus better. So no, jogging won't turn you into a superhero, but it will definitely give you a super brain. Here's a fun fact to wrap up. Every step you take while jogging hits the ground with almost 3 times your body weight. So if you weigh 70 kilograms, the ground feels like you're 210 kilograms. Now think about it. If the earth can handle you, why can't you handle yourself for just 10 minutes a day? So brothers and sisters, start jogging today. Don't wait for fancy shoes or a perfect running track.
Just start moving, because this one habit can gift you a longer life, more energy, and a happier future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hey, start jogging tomorrow morning. Otherwise, the earth will still handle you, but you might not handle yourself.